I just got home from the German butcher shop. I really didn't want to get dressed because I was so cold. So I'm like, I literally put on some bottoms and my jacket and my shoes and my socks just to go to the German butcher shop, which is like right around the corner. Sorry, I was just looking at something. Next to my oven is a pipe. Put stuff away, turn the oven on, get it ready to go. I looked up how to cook, best way to cook a tomahawk steak in the oven. And I saw 425 degrees, 8 to 10 minutes on each side, but you could also sear it. And I was like, this is too big for my stove to be searing anything. So, well, they wrapped it better than I thought, because the guy was nervous about wrapping it because it's just so damn big. But he did it good. Good job, dude. I accidentally cut the line and I didn't realize. Because all this time I was wondering, how do you get a ticket? And I was like, nonchalantly looking around and I see the thing. The post thing. Here, let me turn the oven on. 425. I see the post. Like the ticket thing, you know, when you go to the deli and they have the ticket thing. Well, they have a ticket thing too. And let me check this. Yeah, they have a ticket thing too. And like the deli. And the ticket thing is like near the door when you walk in, I'm pretty sure, but like to the left, and for some reason my eyes always like to go to the right, so I don't even see it over here. I just walk in. Maybe they should put it on the right, so people like me who go right will see it, because I never do till today when I looked for it, after I already missed it. And so this is my German butcher bag. I got another one. This one's about half the price as the one I just got. Let me put this away before it's over anywhere and I don't need it. So I got an enormous tomahawk steak. Okay, so it's almost not covered, but it's okay. So this one is a tomahawk steak. It was very big. And yeah, it was funny. The guy's like, how do you wrap this? I don't know. Very carefully. It looks really good. And I was going to get another one at first and I changed my mind. I picked up this one instead. I should take a picture. It lasts longer. Put it away. And I got sausages. This time I got 2 and 2 because last time I didn't get enough. I mean, we wound up making do, of course, but I wound up getting 4. I got 2 hot and 2 sweet. These are the hot. And then these are the sweet. We like the meat in this house. And I'm going to take a picture. And I'll probably show you what it looks like later when it's cooked. I'm making the sausage tomorrow probably. I got another bag, but I don't know. I'm gonna throw this one away or reuse it. I probably should reuse it, but the problem is, I got a tomahawk steak, and it's like barely wrapped in plastic, and I'm so particular. And I got sausage too. Last minute, I decided to sear the steak. So I turned my stove on and put some oil, and I'm gonna sear it first, then throw it in the oven. I mean, it's already in the oven, but I'm gonna take it out of the oven. And that's what I'm gonna do. You know? I don't know, we'll see. I figured why not, but the stove's gonna have to be pretty hot though. And I'm gonna have to lower it, but for now it's gonna be pretty hot. So I'm literally trying to sear it on the pan. I have garlic and green beans on here afterwards. But I'm gonna try to sear it a little on the stove first before I put it back in the oven. Try. So I seared about half of it, like one side. And now I'm gonna try to sear the other side for a few minutes, and then I'm going to try to turn it on some of the sides so I can sear it more. And throw it back in the oven and let it do its thing. I'm getting creative with the sear. Getting creative. The side closest to the bone is going to be hard to do. FYI. Well, it's gonna be hard for me to do, that's for sure. Yeah! Sear that. Sear that steak. I'm trying really hard to sear the end here by the bone, but it's so hard with this kind of pan. So I don't think that's gonna happen, but I'm trying. You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? Trying to get it in there. Trying to get it in. Just throw it back in the oven and call it a bit. Took the whole thing with the foil on the end and I just tossed it in the oven. Gonna let it cook and do its thing for a bit. And then we'll see how it is. I had the oven timer on for a bit and I gotta turn it off. So it went off and I came to turn it over and the side that I just flipped over looks incredibly delicious. As is this side, but yeah. I don't know, I feel like it's almost done. Or maybe it is done and I should just turn it off and let it cook. In its own heat. And then when Daniel comes home, dinner will be ready. Yum.